a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric. A little impromptu, you can tell by the outfit I've got on, but I'm going to be doing some pushing. We're getting rid of some raised beds that were over here. We're just flattening it out. And we're already about halfway done when I realized I'd never really made a part 2 or really showing the Johnny Bucket Jr. here doing its thing. So just a short video, but I'll show you kind of flattening out some of this stuff here near the satellite dish. But we're going to plant some shrubs over here. What are we planting?
Elderberry.
Elderberry bushes that a coworker of ours gave to us. So we want to get this old beds out of here and just kind of flatten this out a little bit before we do that. So let's do it. So I hope this gives you an idea of what the Johnny Bucket Jr. is capable of. This is a Husqvarna, TS354D. I don't know, maybe half a yard here worth of soil that's been sitting here really well compacted over the years. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but the raised beds are laying in front of us. And it just works. It does exactly what we need it to do. As you can see, I could have easily scooped this dirt up and used it elsewhere on the property. And I also had the ripper bar, which I didn't use for this video, that would have helped as far as digging a little bit. But that'll do it for today, my friends. Take care.